In this slide number 1 we will talk about the notification overview. The Punjab State Federation of Cooperative Sugar Mills Limited has invited online applications for various Group A, B, and C posts at its headquarters and cooperative sugar mills across Punjab. The official portal for application is sugaft.pbrec.in. Selection will be through a written examination. For any application-related queries or technical issues, candidates can reach out via the official email sugafedrect@gmail.com. In this slide number 2 we will talk about the total vacancies. A total of 166 vacancies have been announced. These include 14 posts at the Sugaft head office under Part A, 108 posts in common cadre across sugar mills under Part B, and 44 posts in non-common cadre sugar mills under Part C. Reservations are applicable for various categories such as scheduled castes, backward classes, economically weaker sections, persons with disabilities, ex-servicemen, and sports quota as per the Punjab government's rules. In this slide number 3 we will talk about the application fee. Candidates applying under general, freedom fighter, or sports categories need to pay an application fee of 1000 rupees. Those from SC, BC, or EWS categories are required to pay 250 rupees. Ex-servicemen and their dependents must pay 200 rupees, while the fee for physically handicapped candidates is 500 rupees. The fee is to be deposited online only through the official recruitment portal. In this slide number 4 we will talk about the important dates. The online application process begins on the 4th of June, 2025. The last date to submit the application is the 26th of June, 2025. The final date to deposit the application fee is the 30th of June, 2025. Details regarding the counseling dates and venue will be published later on the official website. Candidates are advised to regularly check the portal for updates. In this slide number 5 we will talk about the age limit. For all posts, the minimum age requirement is 18 years. For posts under Part A and B, the upper age limit is 37 years for general category candidates. For Part C posts, it is 45 years. The upper age limit is relaxed up to 40 years for scheduled castes and backward classes, and up to 45 years for persons with disabilities. Ex-servicemen and other special categories will get relaxation as per the Punjab government's service rules. In this slide number 6 we will talk about the qualification. The educational qualifications vary by post, including degrees like BE, BTech, BSc, MSc, MCom, MBA, CA, and ITI in relevant fields. Several posts also require work experience, ranging from 1 year to 10 years. Punjabi language knowledge up to matriculation level is mandatory, but candidates who have not passed it will be given a chance to qualify during the probation period. All qualifications must be obtained on a regular basis from recognized institutions.